जय हिंद फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू रिवॉल्यूशन एडिटेक। दिस इज अश्विनी शुक्ला। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम अपनी वेक्टर सीरीज को और आगे प्रोसेस करेंगे। तो इन फर्स्ट 4 सीरीज हमने बात कर ली टाइप्स ऑफ वेक्टर की। व्हाट इज वेक्टर, हाउ विल रिप्रेजेंट द वेक्टर, हाउ द वेक्टर कैन बी मूव्ड, in which direction vector can be moved without changing neither its direction nor its magnitude. Then we have talked about resolution of vector. Then in the next series we have talked about types of vector. Then we have discussed how we can add the vectors. So in addition of vector we have discussed two types of addition of vector. हमने दो टाइप से एडिशन ऑफ वेक्टर को डिस्कस किया है। तो एडिशन ऑफ वेक्टर वी हैव डन इन टू वेज। वन इज पॉलीगन लॉ। So for addition of vector we have done two laws, polygon law and another one is parallelogram law. We have done that this polygon law can be used for addition of any number of vector and parallelogram law is used only for addition of two vectors. So we have a defined procedure by polygon law and parallelogram law of vector addition. We have also found that what will be the resultant, what will be the magnitude of resultant of two vectors. और टू वेक्टर्स के लिए हमने बात की थी कि अगर दो वेक्टर्स को हम ऐड करें तो उनके रिजल्टेंट का क्या फॉर्मूला होगा। सो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड दैट इफ देयर आर टू वेक्टर्स, वेक्टर ए एंड वेक्टर बी हैविंग एंगल थीटा बिटवीन वेक्टर ए एंड वेक्टर बी। अगर दो वेक्टर्स हैं वेक्टर ए और बी और उनके बीच में कितना एंगल है, थीटा एंगल है, देन वी कैन राइट दैट the magnitude of their summation comes out to be root over magnitude of a square plus magnitude of b square plus twice of magnitude of vector a into magnitude of vector b. So this is what we have done in last class. Today we will discuss subtraction of vectors. So in today's class we will discuss subtraction of vector. So as we have two laws for addition of vector, but there is no subtraction. But there is no law for subtraction of vector. Like if two vectors we need to subtract, if there are two vectors, let this is vector A and let this is another vector B having angle theta between them. So let there are two vectors, vector A and vector B. So we have done that if we need to add these two vectors, we have two law for addition of the vector. अगर हमें इन दो वेक्टर्स को ऐड करना है तो हमारे पास दो लॉ थे, either we can add them by polygon law or we can add them by parallelogram law. But there is no law for subtraction of vector. Subtraction of vector का कोई लॉ नहीं है. What we can do, we can write, अगर हमें निकालना है a minus b, so we can write if we need to find a minus b, if we need to find a vector a minus b, so this can be written as, इस वेक्टर को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, वेक्टर a प्लस ऑफ माइनस वेक्टर b. We can write this as vector a minus b as vector a plus of minus vector b. Means अगर हमें a minus b निकालना है then we need to add vector minus b with vector a. अगर हमें a minus b निकालना है तो हमें vector a के साथ किसको ऐड करना है, minus of vector b. And whenever we will apply minus of any vector, so what we say? So minus of vector b. So if we have vector b, अगर हमें कोई वेक्टर पता है, let any vector, let this is b vector, let this is a vector b, so if will multiply any vector by minus sign, if will multiply any vector by minus sign, that if we multiply any vector by negative sign, तो हमने माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई किया, मतलब हमने क्या कर दिया, हमने वेक्टर के मैग्नीट्यूड में तो कोई चेंज नहीं किया। हम व्हाट इज वेक्टर के मैग्नीट्यूड को हम किससे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं, वेक्टर की लेंथ से। तो हमने वेक्टर की लेंथ में चेंज नहीं किया, एक माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया। तो इफ विल मल्टीप्लाई एनी वेक्टर बाय नेगेटिव साइन, इट्स डायरेक्शन इट रिवर्सेस। तो देन द वेक्टर, अगर हम वेक्टर को नेगेटिव साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वेक्टर क्या हो जाता है, देन द वेक्टर रिवर्सेस दिस डायरेक्शन। अगर हम किसी वेक्टर को माइनस साइन से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो वेक्टर का क्या चेंज हो जाता है, डायरेक्शन। लाइक इफ विल सी वी हैव डन इन एंटी-पैरेलल वेक्टर्स, so what was anti-parallel vectors, those vectors which will be opposite in direction। और अगर opposite in direction होंगे तो you can see in the video types of vector that their unit vectors were equal but with a negative sign। हम एक वेक्टर के यूनिट वेक्टर में, एक वेक्टर के यूनिट वेक्टर में अगर हम नेगेटिव साइन से मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, then we will get the unit vector of another vector। So if two vector, if minus sign is multiplied in any vector, so what will change, the direction of that vector will reverse down। So if this is vector b, if this is vector b, what will be minus b, minus b vector will be in opposite direction to vector b, but the magnitude of this vector will be same। So if this is vector b, अगर ये वेक्टर b है, so what is this, this vector will be minus। So if we'll multiply minus sign in any vector, the vector reverses its direction। So we can write in this कि अगर हमें वेक्टर a और वेक्टर b को ऐड करना है, and theta is angle between them, and theta is angle between vector a and vector b, and we need to find vector a minus b। So vector a minus b can be written as vector a plus of minus vector b। मतलब हमें वेक्टर a में ऐड करना है माइनस b वेक्टर को। अब हमें एडिशन के हमारे पास दो लॉज हैं। फॉर एडिशन वी हैव टू लॉज, वन इज पॉलीगन लॉ एंड वन इज पैरेललोग्राम लॉ। एडिशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स, फॉर एडिशन ऑफ वेक्टर वी हैव टू लॉ, वन इज पॉलीगन लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन, another one is parallelogram law of vector addition। So we can use any one of them, like we will discuss। So if two vectors, that two vectors are given, that this is vector a, another one vector b, so let there are two vectors, vector a and vector b, and they are inclined at an angle of theta from each other। दोनों के बीच में कितना एंगल ऑफ इंक्लिनेशन है, थीटा है। तो इफ वी नीड टू फाइंड वेक्टर a माइनस b, अगर हमें वेक्टर a माइनस b निकालना है, सो वी कैन राइट दैट वेक्टर a minus b can be written as vector a plus of minus vector b। That is, we need to add the minus vector b with vector a। So what will be minus vector b? तो हमें minus vector b निकालना है। तो अगर हम वेक्टर b में माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करें, so what will change, the direction of vector will, वेक्टर का क्या चेंज हो जाएगा, डायरेक्शन चेंज हो जाएगा। So we'll find out। So we'll make minus b vector। So minus b vector will look like equal magnitude like this. So this will be your minus vector b. This vector will be your minus vector b. Now we can add vector A and minus of vector B by any law, either by polygon law or by parallelogram law. So adding vector A plus of minus vector B. So what is it comes out to be? If we'll do this by polygon law, अगर हम polygon law से करें, what we can take? We'll take vector A. So what polygon law says? That if we'll take vector A and join the tail of vector B second with the head of first vector. So join the tail of this vector to the head of first vector. This is polygon law. So the resultant vector of sum of these two vectors, इन दोनों वेक्टर के सम का जो रिजल्टेंट होगा, that will be the vector joining the tail of first vector to the head of last vector, which comes out to be like this. So if this is vector A and this is vector minus B, so then sum of them comes out to be vector A plus of minus vector B, that is vector A minus vector B. The same can be added by parallelogram law of vector addition. सेम को हम पैरेललोग्राम लॉ ऑफ वेक्टर एडिशन से भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. सो विल डू द सेम बाय पैरेललोग्राम लॉ आल्सो. टेकिंग वेक्टर A and what we will do? We will join the tail of both vectors. हम दोनों वेक्टर्स की क्या ज्वाइन करेंगे? टेल ज्वाइन करेंगे. Now if we'll join the tail of both vector, and what was the next procedure? We will draw a parallelogram. Now we will draw a parallelogram. So the parallelogram will look like this. Parallelogram will look like this. Now parallelogram will have two diagonals. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral. It has two diagonals. So the diagonal of the parallelogram which will pass through the common tail. The diagonal of the parallelogram which will pass through common tail will give you the sum of vector. And what that comes out to be? So if we'll say this is vector A, this is vector minus B. So this vector which is the resultant comes out to be vector A plus of minus vector B. That is vector A. So by this way, we can find the subtraction of vector. We have also done analytical methods. That what will be the magnitude of the sum of two vector? What will be the magnitude of sum of two vector? So if we know two vectors inclined at an angle of theta, अगर दो vectors हमें पता है theta degree पे inclined है, so the magnitude of sum of vector comes out to be root over a square plus b square plus 2 mod a mod b cos theta. Now we can also find the magnitude of subtraction of two vector. हम दो वेक्टर के सब्ट्रैक्शन का भी मैग्नीट्यूड निकाल सकते हैं. So if we'll have that this is vector A and let this is vector B inclined at an angle of theta degree. What is the angle of inclination? Both are inclined at an angle of theta. Let this is vector A and let this is vector B. They are inclined at an angle of theta degree. So if we need to find A minus B, as we have done earlier, A minus B can be written as A vector A plus of minus vector b. That is, we need to add vector a to minus of vector b. हमें vector a को minus of b से add करना है. So for that we need to change the direction of vector b by multiplying with minus sign. So what that comes out to be, if this is vector b, so the minus of vector b can be taken as like this. Same. So minus of b looks like this vector. We can move the vector in its own direction. हम वेक्टर को उसकी डायरेक्शन के अलोंग मूव कर सकते हैं. So this will be your minus b vector. Put over here. This will be minus b vector. Now, if theta is the angle between vector a and vector b, and let alpha is the angle between vector a and vector minus b, that theta is angle between vector a and b, and alpha is angle between, that हमने माना थीटा एंगल बिटवीन वेक्टर एंड वेक्टर बी, एंड अल्फा इज द एंगल between vector a and vector minus vector b. So you can see from the diagram that you can write alpha plus theta will be equal to pi, 180 or pi. So we can write alpha can be written as 180 minus theta or pi minus theta. तो अब अगर हमें a और माइनस b, एंड वी कैन राइट दिस एज a प्लस ऑफ माइनस b, मीन्स इन एनालिटिकल मेथड नाउ वी नीड टू फाइंड, हमें पता है इन a what is the magnitude of a plus b. क्या magnitude of a plus b comes out to be root over mod a square plus mod b square plus twice of mod of a into mod of b into cos theta, where theta is the angle between a and b, but we need to find, लेकिन हमें निकालना क्या है, we need to find a minus b. If we need to find a minus b, which can be written as a plus of minus b, means in analytical method we need to find that angle theta, that angle for which the angle between a and minus b, that is theta की जगह क्या आएगा, alpha. So we can write this as root over mod a square plus mod b square plus 2 mod a mod b cos theta की जगह क्या लिख देंगे, alpha. And what is alpha? Alpha is pi minus theta. So replace over there by pi minus theta. This comes out to be, इसे लिख सकते हैं a स्क्वायर वेक्टर हटा दीजिए प्लस 2ab cos of pi minus theta. And what is cos pi minus theta? Cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So we can write this as a square plus b square minus cos theta. Cos pi minus theta को लिख सकते हैं minus cos theta, minus of cos theta under root. This is vector a mod of vector a minus of vector. That is, this can be written as magnitude of a minus b can be written as root over a square plus b square minus 2ab cos theta, where theta is, यहाँ पे क्या है, theta is angle between vector a and plus of vector b, not of minus, plus of vector b. So this will be your analytical method to find the magnitude of a. So by this way we can find the magnitude of subtraction of two vector, and by vector method we can write a minus b as A plus of minus B. And if we multiply minus sign in any vector, its direction will become reverse. After that, we can add the two vector. After that, we can add the two vector either by polygon law, or by parallelogram law. By any method if you do, the result comes out to be, result आपका क्या आएगा? So this is all we have discussed about subtraction of vector today. So there is no law for the subtraction of vector. Vector के subtraction का कोई law नहीं है. Vector subtraction can be written as in the form of addition of vector. So if we will write the vector subtraction in the form of addition, then one of the vector comes out with negative sign. और जो वेक्टर नेगेटिव साइन के साथ आएगा, तो अगर हम किसी वेक्टर में नेगेटिव से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, सो व्हाट विल चेंज? वेक्टर का डायरेक्शन विल रिवर्स डाउन, मैग्नीट्यूड विल रिमेन सेम, विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय -1. नाउ वी कैन ऐड द वेक्टर्स by taking one vector as it is and the negative of the second vector by any law, either by polygon law or parallelogram law. If we'll do the same, we will find the net vector in the form of vector addition, graphical method. Another one is your analytical method. So analytical method, we have find that if two vectors are A and B inclined at an angle of theta, their sum of their magnitude of their sum comes out to be mod A square plus mod B square plus 2AB mod A mod B cos theta. But if B is being reversed, the angle between A and minus B becomes alpha, which is pi minus theta. Now put the theta, because theta is the angle between A and minus B. अगर आप A और A minus B का मैग्नीट्यूड निकालना है, and this alpha can be written as pi minus theta, and cos pi minus theta is minus cos theta. So the magnitude of subtraction of two vector can be written as root over magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square minus twice of magnitude of A into B into cos theta, where theta is the angle between A and B, not A and minus B. It is angle between A and. So by this way we can find the magnitude. So we can directly write, so we can write that A minus B magnitude, if two vectors are given A and B inclined at angle theta, we can write the magnitude of A minus B magnitude can be written as root over A square plus B square minus 2AB cos theta. Fine. So if two vector, if theta is again 0, अगर theta 0 है, A और B के बीच में 0 डिग्री एंगल है, means what does this say? Vector A is parallel to vector B. So what is mod A minus B? Mod A minus B, theta को 0 रख दीजिए, this comes out to be mod A minus mod B. If theta is equal to 180 or pi, what we can say? A anti-parallel to B. So what is A minus B? Magnitude, that can be written as mod A, because theta is minus pi, cos pi is -1, so this comes out to be mod A plus mod B. And if theta is pi by 2, what we can say? Cos pi by 2 is 0. So we can write mod of A minus B can be written as root over A square plus B square, which is same as mod of magnitude. क्या रहेगा? Same रहेगा. So if it is given mod of A minus B is mod of A plus B, means what will be the angle between them? Angle between the two vector will be Bye bye. So this is all for today with respect to subtraction of vector. In further class, we will discuss further product of vectors. This is all for today. Thank you everyone. Goodbye. Jai Hind.